Hi there, and welcome to the Manifestors Circle, where we post daily lessons, stories, and insights on the law of attraction and manifestation, and how you can use them as a skill to live out the life of your dreams. The topic of manifesting and creating your own reality has been around for centuries, but did you know that there is actual science behind it? In today's video, we'll discuss the science of reality creation and why your 3D reality refuses to change. If you're watching this, chances are you're interested in manifesting and creating a better reality for yourself. You may have a specific desire or goal in mind and may feel frustrated because it seems like it's taking forever to manifest, or that it's not manifesting at all. Sound like you? We've got you covered. Hit that subscribe button and like this video because we're going to help you break free from your current reality. First, let's discuss having a clear desire and a strong intention when manifesting. The universe is always listening and responding to your thoughts and feelings, so it's essential to be very specific about what you want and focus on a positive attitude. There are two main reasons why your reality may remain the same. The first reason is that you may be focusing too much on the fact that your reality has yet to change. This can create a self-fulfilling prophecy where you keep attracting the same reality over and over again. Instead, try to focus on the feeling of already having what you want. Imagine yourself living in a reality where your desire is already manifested. The second reason is a lack of time. It's important to remember that manifesting is not a quick fix. The larger the manifestation, the more moving pieces are at work. Sometimes, aligning everything and bringing your manifestation to life takes time. Another important aspect of manifesting is detachment. The more we can detach from the outcome of needing or wanting something to appear, the less resistance we introduce and the faster and more efficiently the universe can move to bring your manifestation to life. This doesn't mean you should give up on your desire, but rather release the attachment to a specific outcome and trust that the universe will bring you what's best for you at the perfect time. Now let's talk about how to detach from our desires. This is crucial in manifesting because the more we can detach from the outcome of needing or wanting something to appear, the less resistance we introduce, and the faster and more efficiently the universe can move and align things to bring your manifestation to life. Here are 5 tips on detaching from your desires. First, practice mindfulness. This means being present at the moment and not dwelling on the past or worrying about the future. Then, focus on the process, not the outcome. Instead of fixating on the end result, focus on your steps to get there. The third tip is to let go of control. Instead, trust that the universe has a plan for you and that things will unfold in their own time. Next, practice gratitude. Instead of focusing on what you don't have, focus on what you do have and be grateful for it. And finally, don't attach too much emotion to your desires. When we attach too much emotion to something, we create resistance and it becomes harder to manifest. Another way to detach from the outcome is to set small, positive goals that lead toward your larger goal. This helps keep you focused on the present moment and taking action, rather than getting bogged down by feelings of frustration or disappointment. For example, if your ultimate goal is to manifest a new job, start by setting small goals, such as updating a resume, networking with people in your desired field, or taking a class to gain new skills. These small steps will keep you positive and motivated, ultimately leading to your bigger goal. Manifesting is a journey, and it takes time. Be patient with yourself and trust that the universe has your back. Keep working toward your goals and your reality will change. In summary, manifesting is a powerful tool to create your desired reality. It's essential to have a clear desire, focus on the feeling of having it, be patient, and detach from the outcome. If you're feeling stuck, remember that there could be multiple reasons your reality is still the same. Trust the universe is working behind the scenes to bring you what you want. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe for more daily lessons on manifestation and the law of attraction from the Manifestors Circle.